Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Now let's start off with my Hawatia. The reason why I'm showing you this Hawatia is because in between the green ones you can see those white heads. This particular plant produces white Hawatias, those cream colored Hawatias in between. Now this is my sedum, which is coloring up again, and this is how she looks. This is the portion which is exposed to the sun. Those rosettes have turned pink. See how beautiful they are. These succulents always make me happy, and this is the portion which was denied sunlight all throughout the day, and it is greenish, and this is the portion which was on the sunny side. What a beautiful pink. And now these are the leaf grown plants, all dropped from the mother plant. As soon as they drop, if I see it, I just used to put it there, and that is how it looks. Now that's the bonus of growing succulents. Let's move on to our jade. It is also called the variegated jade or Crassula ovate sunset. Actually, this particular plant is supposed to color up. The leaves change colors, but that is yet to happen. But it is a beautiful plant, and now it has grown quite well. Now this is my Pakupaitam, a chubby succulent. I feel like just taking one and popping it into my mouth. And here too, I had accidentally dropped 2 leaves, and I have just placed it there. This is another beautiful sedum, and the rosettes are sort of roundish. I love this particular succulent also, and it has just started to color up. Actually, I just cleared the pot of the weeds that grow so fast in these pots, and this is quite an old plant. Actually, you can make that out, seeing the stems, extended stems. It's a beautiful one. This is my spider plant, which is doing extremely well. It looks happy, it looks bright, it looks motivating. Yes, what a beautiful vibrant green. Beautiful. This is my Echeveria nodulosa, or it is also called the painted Echeveria, a beautiful succulent again, which was attacked by mealybugs, and I just checked. Now it looks fine, but I have to keep an eye on this particular succulent. Otherwise, I am sure I am going to lose it, like how I lost in the previous years. This is another cute chap. This is the Crassula baby's necklace. Look at the stacking. And this is my Chinese dunce cap. Now wherever I see any space, I just put the rosette. This is my Pivian, or the Pearl Van Nieuwenburg. And this too was attacked by mealybugs, and I had sprayed, and now it looks quite okay. Yes, but I too have to keep an eye on this particular plant. It is yet to show its true beauty. This Crassula baby's necklace is my all-time favorite, and this can be a beginner's succulent as well. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing, and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye.